Well, the thought of organizing your home might stress you out. Sometimes it does for me, but actually it can be pretty therapeutic. Moore's organizing expert, VICKI Norris, is here to tell us about the process of organizing and how it can actually be a therapeutic process.
Yes, it is.
People do think, it is initially very stressful, right?
Yes, but once people dive in and start the organizing process, they look at us and say, oh my gosh, this is like therapy. And it really, really is. And you know, therapy is actually a treatment for a known diagnosis. And organizing is a fantastic treatment for all the forms of stuckness and chaos in our lives. So I wanted to go through today how organizing is therapeutic and how to go through the process.
Okay, and I know the start is to not focus on what's in front of you, but the outcome. Look toward the future, right?
That's right. And this is true of therapy. Like sometimes emotional therapy or marital therapy or even medical therapy is challenging. And so we have to keep our eye on the ball. We have to go through the process knowing that the outcome is going to be worth it, Molly. And in organizing, some of those benefits of getting organized include bringing peace to your home, reducing anxiety, alleviating all of the tension, right? And then that visual peace that we're going to experience. And so that quality of life is really what the outcome is that we're looking for.
Yeah, I love this step. Listening.
Yes, you know, so many people think when you get started organizing that I'm just going to go in there and start tossing and purging and getting rid of things, but actually the very first thing I do is I pull up a chair to the kitchen table or to the boardroom and I listen. I want to get inside that person's head. I want to think about what is working for them? What isn't working? What kind of outcomes do they want to see in their life? How's this impacting them? So if you're going to tackle organizing in your life, I recommend beginning by listening to yourself.
Yeah, because if you are very disorganized, there's probably a reason behind that, right?
That's right, which leads me to the next point, which is we have to discover the root causes of the chaos. And any good therapeutic process is going to look at these causes of the diagnosis, and the same thing is true of organizing, Molly. We've got to figure out why. Why am I doing this? How did I get here? What are all of the contributing factors? Because otherwise, you can throw products at the problem. You can tidy up, but it's not going to last if you don't get to those root causes.
Right, which really brings us to the next step. Avoiding adverse side effects.
Yes,
right?
And there are sometimes in various therapies these negative consequences, and we want to avoid those in organizing, and that would include retail therapy, just going and throwing products at the problem. That would include overwhelm or non-committal. So you want to avoid those adverse effects by really engaging in your process, listening, discovering those root causes, because organizing is very therapeutic, and you can learn more on my blog today. You can find it on our Restoring Order Facebook page, Molly. Organizing is therapy.
I love it. Well, I always call you my life coach, so it all makes sense. You always have advice for something. VICKI, thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you, Molly. Thanks for watching this organizing video by Restoring Order. Be sure you subscribe to this channel and check us out at restoringorder.com.